Okay, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe at your homes. So, in my previous class, I started your chapter number second, the music, the sound of music, which we are going to explain the remaining part of the chapter. Before my today's class, I would like to explain the chapter again in a very few words. That we were studying about a deaf child who was not able to listen, who has lost her listening power in the age of 11. Okay, and she learned music. She got a mentor like the name of the mentor was Ron Forbes. He taught her everything related music. He taught her how to feel music, and she did the same, and she will achieve whatever she wants. She never looked back from the point onwards. Means Glennie thought that I will not look behind. I will not look in my past. I will try to move forward, forward, and forward. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, then she went for a tour to United Kingdom, and she went there with a youth orchestra, the group of singer and musicians. Okay, and by the time and that time she was 16 years old. She had decided to make music her life. Then she realized that she is very good in music and she can choose music as her profession. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest mark in the history of the academy. Then she went in Royal Academy and she gave her audition there, and in that audition she got the highest mark and she made a history. She gradually moved from orchestra work to solo. Then she moved to perform solo. Means she wants to get her own identity. So she thought that she should stop doing orchestra and she should perform solo. Solo means akele. At the end of her 3 years course, she had captured most of the top awards. So she was there for 3 years. She was learning music, and with that time she achieved lots of top award from the academy. And for all these, Valiant won't accept any hint of heroic achievements. So she was achieving lots of things, but that was not heroic achievements. And but whatever she was getting was very sufficient for her. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Then she made a note that if you know what you want from your life, if you doing hard work according to your according to your goal, you will finally get whatever you are trying to. But somehow we have lots of desires. Like in seventh, we said that we will become a doctor. In eighth, we will become a a politician. We will become a pilot. We will become a actor or actresses. Means we are not certain with our career. It is switched by passing of time. Switched हो जाता है. Suddenly ये, suddenly वो. Getting my points? Most of you is still not clear about your future. You do not have recognized your power, your interest, and you are saying that we will do something, we will do falan, we will do ढिमकान, इस तरह से कुछ भी है ना. So let's start. But if we are certain towards our goal, it is possible that we will achieve everything within time. Okay. And she got right to and then Glennis was clear that she will make music her life, and she achieved everything through music. She became perfect in it. The world's most sought after percussionist with a mastery of somehow thousands instruments and hectic international schedule. Then she became a good musician. She was trying to do tour. She was performing in whole world, different parts of the world. Okay, she is interviewing to watch Evelian functions so effortlessly without hearing. It is not easy, it is not very natural. Someone who is not able to listen, can sing properly, can express music properly, means she has some extraordinary quality. Okay, men with busy beards give me trouble, she laughed. Then she laughed when some interviewer were taking her interview. She told everything related her achievements, and then she laughed. It is not just washing the lips, it is not just watching the lips, it is whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly with the Scottish lip. A person who is not able to speak generally use sign to express her or his way, express her or his emotions. But a person who is deaf, who is not able to listen, only can feel. The person only can feel, and it can the person is trying to read the lip sync of others. Through lip sync they are getting the words whatever the person is saying to him. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11. Then she said that my speech is clear because I was able to listen when I till I was 11. I listened properly for 11 years. I am not deaf by birth. She says, but that does not explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. Then it is not very easy to understand that how did she learn Japanese and French. As for music, she explained, just because of music. I learned everything just because of music. It pours it through every part of my body. Music is flowing. Music is flowing in completely in my body, in my blood. There is music. The tingles, the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. Music is everywhere in my body, in my cheekbones, in my hair, in my heart. Everywhere music is present. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. When she used to play xylophone, she feels the vibration through her fingertips. Okay? By learning against the drums, but by learning about the drums, she came barefoot. Barefoot means, sorry, she can feel the responses flowing into her body. She got the vibration in her body when she played the drum. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes. When she wants to get the vibration of the drum beats, she used to take off her shoe from her leg, and she stood there barefoot, means without having any slipper or shoes in her leg. And then from that wooden platform she got the vibration, and that made her clear about the beat of the drum. Not surprisingly, Evelian delights her audiences. So Evelian was very good musician. She was very good, and she was very easily get the attention of her audience. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. So in 1991, Evelian got the award from Royal Philharmonic Society, and the award was prestigious soloist. Okay, Says Master Percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. The percussionist James Blades says that maybe God has taken her listening part, but he gave him an extraordinary quality to express music without hearing. What we hear, she feels. Whatever we hear, she feels it. That's why she is able to express music beautifully, because she feels whatever we hear, and she feels it from depth of her heart, which made it her clear, which made her very joyful, and she performs her music very well. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. She was workaholic means she was addicted towards work. She does not want to sit uselessly. She wants to work hard towards her interest. Okay, often harder than classical musicians. She wants to work hard. She wants to work hard as she can, as she could. But the rewards are enormous. Whatever she was getting from the music was speechless. Apart from the regular concert, Evelyn also gives free concert to in prisons and hospitals. After her regular concert, she used to go in prisons and hospitals, and she tried to perform there. She was trying to perform there. She performs there actually. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Evelyn tried to teach those students who are young and who are just fresher in the field of music. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Anne Richlin, who was the owner of Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children, says that Glennie was the great inspiration, the motivation for those deaf children that they see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. Now they feel these deaf children are feeling that they can do everything whatever they have interest in. They can achieve their goal. They can achieve their uh, interest in their life. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussions to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. So Evelyn tried to perform before all those who tried to become a musician. Priority she gives priority to those who are handicapped and those who thought that they are not able to do anything, means they are consider themselves that they are not good for nothing, they are good for nothing. But by watching the achievements of Glennie, they said that if she can do everything, she can achieve everything by having hearing disability, so we can also do the same. So we are going to stop the chapter here. The first part of your chapter number 2 has been finished, and we will move to our next session in our next class, the Shahnai of Bismillah Khan. So till then, stay blessed, safe at your homes, and good luck. And please take proper interest in your studies. Good luck.